As part of Towson University's use of Office 365, faculty, staff and students will have the ability to install the Microsoft Office apps, formerly known as the Microsoft Office Suite, on up to 5 devices. In this video, you'll learn how to log in and download Office apps on a Mac. To begin, open your web browser and type office.towson.edu in the address bar. The Towson University login screen will appear. Enter your NetID and password and click Sign In. The Office 365 software page will appear. In the top right corner, click the drop-down arrow beside Install Office and select Office 365 app. The software will begin to download and will appear in the Downloads window in your web browser. Once complete, launch the file from your Downloads folder and the Installer screen will appear. Double-click the Installer folder and Microsoft Office will begin to install on your Mac. Next, you'll want to follow the prompts from the installer to complete the installation. Once installed, click the Close button. You're now ready to use Office for Mac. All of your apps will automatically be linked to your Towson University account. To move apps like Microsoft Word to your dock, click the Launchpad and then click and drag the application to your dock. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit us at towson.edu/OTS training.